G'day guys, welcome back to another video. So today, I've got a pretty cool challenge. If you didn't know, I'm like really into geography. I really like my countries and the flags and you know, all that sort of stuff. And I know a lot of cubers are as well. So today, I'm going to be doing a Flags of the World quiz. So basically what this is a website called Jetpunk. Essentially, what you do, you just name as many countries as you can. You have 15 minutes to do so, and I'm going to see, well, I say I'm going to see if I can do it, but I know I can do it. I've done this a couple of times. Yeah, I mean, we might as well just jump into it. The only difference is, I'm going to use the whole 15 minutes as well as solving a 7x7 Rubik's Cube. I thought I'd give myself a bit more of a challenge because this is pretty easy and I can do it under the time, and I wanted to see if I can do something cubing related as well with it. So I've got my cube here. I think my idea is I'm going to do a couple of sides, do some flags, do some more sides, and see if I can do the cube and the flags all in the 15-minute time. Without further ado, I'm just going to get started, and we're going to go through the flags. So first of all, I'm going to do a bit of inspection, and then we're going to get started. So as soon as I start this timer, it'll start. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. So this is a 7x7. I thought it would be way too easy to do, you know, a 3x3 or something like that. I wanted to make this a bit of a challenge, and I can solve a 7x7, you know, relatively quickly. Relatively as in like, you know, 4 minutes or so. So I'm hoping if I can, oh, that was almost a bad pop. I'm hoping if I can solve this in about 4 minutes, that will give me roughly, you know, just have to concentrate on this. That'll give me roughly, whoa, that was a weird edge. As I was saying, that'll give me about 10 minutes or so to do the whole quiz, which I think is plenty of time. I think I'm going to do all of the edges, not all of them, sorry. I'm just going to do 2 centers. Oh, where's that last edge? Oh, I messed it up. That's okay. All right, nice. So we've almost done. We got, all right, blue and green done. Let's get started. So USA, UK, New Zealand, Canada, Russia, Netherlands, France, Italy, Ireland. Oh, I spelled it wrong. So the spelling's actually a thing you need to watch out for as well. Bulgaria, Hungary. So it starts off pretty easy. South Korea, I'm going there soon. You also need to scroll, which is kind of annoying. Bangladesh, Palau, Brazil, all the circle ones, Sweden, Finland, Norway. All the cross ones, Greece, Georgia, Tonga, Malta, Dominican Republic. Let's keep going. I think I'll, Cameroon. These are all the star ones. What's it called? Burma, whatever. Kosovo, Albania, Cyprus, Nepal. So it seems like this should be easy to do in the time. Belgium, Gabon, we've got some African ones, Israel, Papua New Guinea, San Marino, Congo, Turkey, Tunisia, Pakistan. All the moon ones, Tanya, whoops, spelled that wrong, Azerbaijan, that's hard to spell, Comoros, Libya, no, not Libya, Libya, oh, Libya, there we go, Malaysia, Uzbekistan, what's it called? Singapore. So I get bad Turkmenistan, Maldives. Alright, that's all the moons. Oman. Germany. Alright, that's probably a good place to keep going. So, yeah, I get really bad mind blanks when it comes to some of those countries. Like, they're countries that I obviously know, and, you know, you might even know. But I just lose them really fast. Oh, I think I got a free pair just then. How are we going for time? Alright, we've still got 10 minutes. That's not a lot of time. Oh, especially if you mess up like that. Here we go. Boom, boom. Okay. Sweet. Alright, that was a good center. I'm going to do one more, and then I'm going to keep going with the flags. Also, try this out for yourself if you think you know your flags. See how fast you can do it while doing a cube, because I might as well finish this off. Alright, that's all the centers done. Let's keep going. Where are we? Spain. South Africa. No, not Madagascar. What am I doing? Jamaica. Mexico. India. That's Barbados. Austria. Poland. That is Indonesia and Monaco. You can tell the difference between the shapes. Peru, Yemen, Egypt, Iraq, Syria. These are all pretty easy. Syria. That's how you spell it. UAE, Jordan, Kuwait, Sudan, Tajikistan, Iran. I always get this one wrong. Malawi. Nice. All right. Antigua and Argentina, Uruguay. These are the sun ones. Estonia, Marshall Islands, Philippines, Kiribati. Oh. What? There we go. Kazakhstan, Namibia, Nauru, not Vanuatu, Venezuela. That's it. Seychelles are the other Congo. That's St. Kitts, Trinidad, Brunei. I got them mixed up. Eritrea, East Timor, some African ones, Guyana, Mozambique, that's Vanuatu, that is Djibouti, Equatorial Guinea, nice, alright, we got the triangle ones, Cuba, shout out, Chile, Liberia, Taiwan, Samoa, Belize, Haiti, that is Paraguay, Serbia, that is Slovakia, Croatia, Slovenia, very similar flags, Costa Rica, Thailand, very nice, Luxembourg, Honduras, Somalia, and that is El Salvador. I'll just finish these. Nicaragua, the blue ones, nice. Sierra Leone, Angola. All right, let's do some edges now, shall we? God. All right, I don't know how well I'm doing on time, but oh my God. But I think we should be okay as long as I do this one well. Get a good edge pairing. Oh, I might get lucky. We'll see. All right, so some edge there. Orange. Oh, did I mess that up, or was that a new one? I can't remember. I think I might have messed that up. That's okay, we'll keep going. Okay. Ooh, that was good. All right. Bit of good edge pairing, and we should be right to keep going. Oh, that was bad. Why did I do that? Oh, jeez. Oh, this is a terrible solve, man. So much parity. All right. All right, we're up to 3x3 stage. Oh, we gotta speed through these. Burundi. What is it? Belarus? Not Kuwait, that is Bahrain. Senegal. All right, I'm stressing a bit. Let's keep going. Ethiopia, Libya, Dominica, Grenada, Mauritius, Armenia, the same flag. That's Colombia, Moldova. Oof. All right, we're running out of time. I'm gonna have to be quiet. Mongolia. That is Mali. I think we're at the bottom. Yes, all right. Latvia. Qatar, come on. Fiji. Tuvalu. St. Lucia. South Africa Republic, and that is Gambia. All right. Oh. No, I wasn't meant to finish the time yet, but I think we should be right. Let's just, we'll have that clock still going on the screen, but I'm pretty sure I made it. Boom. Oh, all right. That was close. Oh. That was close. Oh my god. There we go. 196. You know, 196, pretty good. Yeah, 196 out of 196, 100%. In the time limit, just made it in. Got some, that was pretty bad 7x7 solve, not gonna lie, but yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. Oh boy, my next challenge I'm thinking of doing is just naming all the countries without flags. There's another thing on this as well that I can do. It's essentially just a world map and you have to fill out the whole thing. I'll try and do that one as well. I don't know if I can do that faster or slower, but we'll see. But anyway, thanks for watching guys. Give this one a try and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.